Hello, my friends. Welcome to this special moment. Today is not just another day. Today is the day you decided to invest in yourself, in your future, in your English. I want you to know how proud I am of you for being here. You didn't have to press play. You didn't have to show up. But you did. And that choice, that action, is proof of your strength. Many people dream about learning English, but they don't take the first step. You, right now, are taking that step. That makes you different. That makes you powerful. Learning English is not only about memorizing grammar rules or studying vocabulary lists. Of course, those things help, but the real challenge, the real secret, is consistency. It's showing up, even on days when you feel tired, even on days when you don't feel ready. And guess what? Today, you showed up. That means you are already ahead. That means you are already winning. Now, let's talk about what we are going to do together. We are going to practice with a method called shadowing. Shadowing is simple, but don't let that fool you. It is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English. Think of a shadow. No matter where you go, your shadow follows you. In this practice, I will speak, and you will follow my voice like a shadow. I will say a sentence, and you will repeat it right after me. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to sound exactly like me. What matters is that you try, that you open your mouth and speak, that you use your real voice. This practice is about building confidence, one sentence at a time. Every sound you make, every word you repeat, is a step forward. Every mistake is not a failure, but a sign that you are learning. Every repetition is training your mouth, your ears, your memory, and your confidence. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale slowly, hold it for a moment, and let it out gently. Feel your body relax. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel your mind focus. You are here, and that is enough. You don't need to think about yesterday. You don't need to worry about tomorrow. You are exactly where you need to be right now. Here's how we'll do it. I will speak slowly. I may repeat the same sentence 2 or 3 times. After me, it's your turn. Say the words out loud. Don't whisper in your head. Don't just watch silently. Speak with your real voice, even if it feels strange. The more you speak, the stronger you get. The more you repeat, the more natural English becomes. Remember, shadowing is like magic because it improves many skills at once. Your pronunciation gets better because you copy natural sounds. Your listening gets sharper because you must pay attention closely. Your fluency grows because you are speaking without stopping to translate. And your confidence increases because you prove to yourself that you can do this. Before we begin, I want you to promise me something. Promise me you will not give up. Promise me that even if you stumble, even if you laugh, even if your tongue feels heavy, you will keep going until the very end. Because I believe in you, and I want you to believe in yourself too. Alright, let's begin. Let's start with simple, powerful sentences. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. Good. Again. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Wonderful. One more. Every day I improve. Every day I improve. Every day I improve. Yes. Keep going. I am strong and brave. I am strong and brave. I am strong and brave. Excellent. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes help me grow. You see, every sentence is training your mouth, your ears, your memory. Don't stop. Let's keep going. I can do hard things. I can do hard things. I can do hard things. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Practice makes me stronger. Practice makes me stronger. Practice makes me stronger. I never give up. I never give up. I never give up. Take a breath. You just completed your first set of sentences. How do you feel? You are already speaking English. You are already stronger than you were a few minutes ago. Let's keep building. Now, we'll try slightly longer sentences. Trust yourself. You can do this. I am becoming more confident every day. I am becoming more confident every day. I am becoming more confident every day. Speaking English feels natural to me. Speaking English feels natural to me. Speaking English feels natural to me. I focus on progress, not perfection. I focus on progress, not perfection. I focus on progress, not perfection. Every word I speak helps me improve. Every word I speak helps me improve. Every word I speak helps me improve. I am patient and kind with myself. I am patient and kind with myself. I am patient and kind with myself. My pronunciation gets clearer each day. My pronunciation gets clearer each day. My pronunciation gets clearer each day. I celebrate small victories in learning. I celebrate small victories in learning. I celebrate small victories in learning. Challenges make me stronger and wiser. Challenges make me stronger and wiser. Challenges make me stronger and wiser. I trust the process of learning English. I trust the process of learning English. I trust the process of learning English. My hard work brings results every time. My hard work brings results every time. My hard work brings results every time. Take another breath. You've done so much already. Do you feel the difference? You are not just repeating words. You are training your whole self to believe in your ability. Let's go even further. These next sentences are even more powerful. Say them with all your heart. I deserve success and happiness. I deserve success and happiness. I deserve success and happiness. My dreams become real when I don't quit. My dreams become real when I don't quit. My dreams become real when I don't quit. I am building a brighter future for myself. I am building a brighter future for myself. I am building a brighter future for myself. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Every step forward is worth celebrating. I have the courage to speak and be heard. I have the courage to speak and be heard. I have the courage to speak and be heard. My voice is important. My words have value. My voice is important. My words have value. My voice is important. My words have value. I am grateful for every chance to learn. I am grateful for every chance to learn. I am grateful for every chance to learn. Progress happens one word at a time. Progress happens one word at a time. Progress happens one word at a time. I am exactly where I need to be today. I am exactly where I need to be today. I am exactly where I need to be today. Today, I choose to believe in myself fully. Today, I choose to believe in myself fully. Today, I choose to believe in myself fully. Take a pause. Feel the power of your own voice. You just spoke 30 powerful sentences. That's incredible. You practiced pronunciation, listening, fluency, and confidence. You invested in yourself. You grew stronger. But let's not stop here. Let's go deeper. Let's create even more affirmations, even more practice, because your journey doesn't end with 30 sentences. Your journey is just beginning. I am open to learning new things every day. I am open to learning new things every day. I am open to learning new things every day. I have unlimited potential inside me. I have unlimited potential inside me. I have unlimited potential inside me. I am motivated and ready to succeed. I am motivated and ready to succeed. I am motivated and ready to succeed. My mistakes are my teachers. My mistakes are my teachers. My mistakes are my teachers. I am proud of the progress I make daily. I am proud of the progress I make daily. I am proud of the progress I make daily. The more I practice, the more confident I feel. The more I practice, the more confident I feel. The more I practice, the more confident I feel. My journey is unique and valuable. My journey is unique and valuable. My journey is unique and valuable. English opens new doors for me. English opens new doors for me. English opens new doors for me. I am capable of more than I realize. I am capable of more than I realize. I am capable of more than I realize. I trust myself to keep growing. I trust myself to keep growing. I trust myself to keep growing. Now, my friend, take a deep breath again. Think about what you just did. You spoke English for many minutes without stopping. You repeated powerful sentences. You built your confidence. You proved to yourself that you can learn, you can grow, you can succeed. Here's the truth. Perfection is not the goal. Progress is the goal. Every time you speak, you are one step closer to fluency. Every time you practice, you are rewriting your story. Every time you believe in yourself, you are unlocking your true potential. You did something amazing today. You showed up. You practiced. You didn't give up. That is what matters. I am proud of you. You should be proud of yourself too. Put your hand on your heart and say, I did it. Because you really did. This is only the beginning. Today you planted the seed. Tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that, you will water that seed with practice. And one day, you will look back and realize, I am fluent. I am confident. I am strong. Congratulations, my friend. You are on your way. And I can't wait to see how far you will go.